You face the wall. Ah, you stamping your feet. Oh, ano? Susumbong ka? Susumbong ka kay Clyde? Ano magagawa niyo ng kuya mo? Ay! Sobra ha? You sit down. Sit down. You're stamping your feet. Diba sabi ko bad yung stamping feet? Bad yung shouting. You're shouting to mommy. Mommy bad? Huh?
Sorry to mom. Love mommy. Love mommy.
Don't. No, I don't love you. Halika na, halika na, halika na. Love na, love na. Love na, love na, love na. Diba bad yung ganon? Bad? Shouting? Bad yung shouting? Diba? Bad? Stamping feet? Bad, diba? Stamping feet? Bad? Shouting mommy? Bad, diba?
Mommy.
Don't do that again, anak, ha?